Stuck with the Windows Setup Library DLL failure compromising your core library map? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer. Let's analyze this architectural break and restore your stability. For professional-grade Windows Setup Library maintenance, follow the diagnostic link in the description. This is the Windows Setup Library, a foundational library used by Windows to manage system-level software installations and OS upgrades. It handles the parsing of .dot.inf files and localized resource registration. If corrupted, users will face error 0x807,005 during Windows Update or driver installations, as the setup engine cannot resolve system directories. Enough of the technical side. Let's get these files back onto your system. Winsetup is maintained by Windows itself. Run the system file checker by typing sfc/scan now in an elevated command prompt to detect and repair system-level file issues. When a standard software refresh isn't enough, we need to bypass the automated installers and look at manual system state resets. A full system restart ensures that no background processes are currently locking the Windows Setup Library file. A fresh boot allows Windows to reinitialize its library map from a clean state. Take a second to bookmark this page or hit the like button before restarting. That way, you can easily resume this guide once your system has finished rebooting. Still seeing the error? Let's move to the next actionable step in our guide. You can pause the video here if you're still waiting for your desktop to load. Because the reboot didn't resolve the integrity issue, we need to force Windows to rebuild its master file copies. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type dism/online//cleanup-image/restore health, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, bypasses local file errors by pulling a certified master copy of the system image to replace files that SFC is unable to repair. It's worth taking a moment to discuss the safe acquisition of runtime components. Using an incorrect or unverified version of Windows Setup Library DLL can trigger a domino effect within your runtime environment, causing unrelated professional applications to fail without warning. To complement these security best practices, you may want to consider using a diagnostic resource to help manage your system's library references. The diagnostic utility referenced below offers general information for managing Windows Setup Library and maintaining system health. Your feedback is valuable. If this fix got Windows Setup Library working for you, please like the video and subscribe to stay informed on maintaining a secure environment.